How to see Wi-Fi password on Android phone. If you need to see the current or saved Wi-Fi passwords on your Android phone, maybe you want to connect another device to the internet or share your Wi-Fi with a friend. Just follow this video and I show to you how. First, open Settings. Tap on Connections. Select Wi-Fi at the top of the screen. Tap the gear icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Tap QR code at the bottom of the screen. To see the password, tap Save as Image. Now open any web browser that is on your phone. Type to search QR code reader. Move down and then tap on this website. Tap on Upload Image. Here select the saved QR code image. Now move down to see the password. And that's it. That's how you can see Wi-Fi password on Android phone. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and even press on the notification bell. See you next time.